Welcome. I'm Sarah, production manager, here at our state-of-the-art facility.
Bay 3, right here. All right, easy back, clear on the left, all clear.
Did that one register correctly?
Yes, confirmed on the tablet, all green.
See how I support the keel here?
Yes, keeping the feathers flat.
Exactly, that minimizes stress on the bird.
This automated breading line provides a consistent, high-quality coating. As you can see in the cross-section, the thickness is perfectly uniform.
"100% inspection ensures consumer safety. No compromises on food safety protocols.
This advanced real-time PCR system delivers pathogen detection in just 90 minutes, visualized by these clear amplification curves.
I've rated the appearance as slightly dark.
Okay, let's look at the texture profile on question 5.
Predicted chiller temperature drift in 2.3 hours. Look at that confidence level.
Parameters adjusted automatically. System stable.
Our revolutionary blockchain system provides complete transparency,
ensuring your food goes from farm to fork in just 48 hours.
The green charts confirm our systematic approach is working. Excellent results.
Agreed. Based on this Pareto analysis, I suggest we opt.
As you can see, the automated systems handle the critical control points and logging.
The documentation is very thorough. Everything is in order.
Human arrangers could never match this speed or consistency. Retail-ready presentation achieved robotically.
Pick 3 cases from location B-2407. 3 cases B-2411.
Okay, truck 847, you're at 95% capacity. Finalize the load.
Got it, thanks.
Here are the bills of lading and the temperature certs. If you could sign for the load receipt on the tablet, confirming compliance.
No problem.
Unit 32, traffic is hetchy on the I-5. Rerouting you now, revised ETA is 1400 hours.
Acknowledge.
Sustainable energy investment. Facility generates 60% of its electricity from renewable solar.
The multi-stage process, including biological treatment and UV disinfection, allows us to achieve
So the critical control point here is the temperature log at receiving. Make sure the calibration is precise before you start the batch.
Congratulations on the award, well deserved.
Thanks. And look at that, they posted the supervisor job. I think I'll go for it.
I finally signed up for the paid education program.
That's great. And the childcare assistance has been a lifesaver for me.
This automated line processes over 500 units per hour.
We're proud to support the team this season.
It's an amazing facility.
The pilot line data looks promising for the new marinade.
Yes, we can definitely scale this up by Q3.
We should review the efficiency metrics again.
So there you have it, the complete journey from farm to package. This facility processes 500,000 birds every single week. Thank you for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed seeing how modern food production works, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.